Biafra Day, 3 more days to go. 30th May. Every Biafran will remember our loved ones that were killed by Nigerian military clique, led by Gowon, supervised by the British government. See, let me tell you, on the 3rd day, 3 days coming, everywhere in Igbo land, they will observe silence for the fallen heroes, the Igbo men that were killed during the war. For the fallen heroes, my uncles, my brothers, my fathers that were killed 57 years ago, we are going to observe silence. We are going to remember them. We are going to celebrate them. And anybody that's not happy about it should go and climb and hug transformer. Federal government said they turned deaf ear that nobody should make noise in the southeastern Nigeria. They should all go and be mourning themselves in their various graves. We are going to mourn our loved ones that were killed. If Nigerian soldiers are not happy about it, they should all go and mourn themselves in their various grave sites. Because Igbo man must remember his loved one. This is not Obi's mandate that was stolen here. No, we are not talking about that mandate that was stolen. We are talking about remembrance of our loved ones. My uncles, my brothers that were killed 57 years ago. We must celebrate them. We must observe that silence and give them due respect that they, befitted. See, that they deserve. See, anybody that's not happy about Biafra Day should go and hug transformer. Hug romance with transformer. Bus bar, live bus bar. Naked wire, look at all this high tension. High tensions. Climb, hold it. Because Igbo man is celebrating his loved one. They will all die of anger. It is too infuriating for the federal government of Nigeria to say that nobody should celebrate our dead heroes. See, let me tell you, from police, any policeman that don't like it, any soldierman that doesn't like it, they should go and hug high tensions. Bus bar, live wire, naked one. They should hug it. Because come quote me, on 3rd day you see people across Igbo land observing that silence, celebrating themselves. The ones that have money, they can buy beer and celebrate Biafra. Yes. It was declared, Biafra Declaration by Ojukwu. That was May, month of May. I think we must celebrate them. So anybody that's not happy about it should go and die. Nigerian politics is always characterized by killing. Certain houses are ablaze. Look at what happened in 1960s, 62, 61 election. Many were killed in the West here over elections. Abubakar Tafawa Balewa, Awolowo and Dr. Zik, Osadebe, them and Akintola, they were killing themselves. Election in Nigeria is characterized by killing, blood, tit for tat, fire for fire, blood for blood. Right from the time immemorial. So what is going on is that we are going to celebrate our loved ones that died during the war. And Nigeria is kicking. Nigerian soldiers, they are not happy. Are you listening to me? We are going to do that. Willy-nilly. It is a question of M-U-S-T. Must. Whoever doesn't like it should do what? Hug transformer. We are celebrating it willy-nilly.
And I will be very happy if my people can observe it. I will observe it from that region. Yes. We are not making trouble. We are not making trouble. It's not for trouble. No. Sit at home. You can cook food. Relax. Nothing like trouble. The church remember our children, our brothers and our fathers. Now remember, they don't be Biafra, they declare Biafra. To remember our forefathers, they killed in Biafra Nigeria war. Our mothers, they slaughter. The Fulani. Slaughter by then. Our mothers slaughter their womb. I will tear their womb. Our father, our youth. The Ghana people slaughter them, the Fulanis. We don't mind them. They are the one kill them, they finish Biafra, finish our youth, kill our fathers, our mothers, our pregnant mothers. Then. So that's what we are going to observe. That 29. We are not calling for trouble, no. It's a peaceful demonstration. We are not carrying arms to come out, to chase people away. No, sit at home and observe the day. That's what we are crying for, because we can never forget what happened. The Igbos can never forget what happened. What happened those days, and what's still going on today. Because when you look at it, what the Igbo man fought for those days, that's what is still going on in Nigeria today. They haven't put that in order. It's still going on today. So what can't we observe them? If they like, let them go and kill our youth. Let them go there. But any soldier that go there begin to proliferate and to chase our people away, it's not going to come back. It's not going to come back. That's the grace. Any Nigerian soldier, let them carry their troop. Carry their troop over there. I promise that they will never come back. Because this peaceful demonstration. Sit at home and relax. Cook food and observe them. Pray for the Biafra heroes. So it's my joy. It's a sense of joy to me to observe that day. Because we can never forget where we come from. Our coming to the world, we forget. Our coming to they can never forget the Biafra. They can never forget what happened those days. The history will still continue. The history is still there. They can never die. Biafra can never die. Because Nigeria do not fix everything in order. As soon Nigeria fix everything in order after Nigeria Biafra war, I think we could have. I don't think that Igbo man will still continue clamoring for Biafra. No. And because of what we fight for. That's what we are still practicing to today. Whereby they do not recognize the Easterners. To date. Whereby they do not fix anything. They do not fix, the federal government do not fix anything in the East. Nothing. Not saying good thing. The federal government have fixed in the East. After Nigeria Biafra war. Not saying good thing. They come out now, they will tell you second Nigeria breed. Is that achievement? The Igbo who travel over the war, the importer, exporter. You cannot give the seaport, you cannot put that the region in order. You cannot give them road, good federal road. Now not saying good federal road. Connect to east. But not good federal road. No international port in the east. And you are telling me what Nigeria? How can we forget Biafra? International port will come out for international airport in Imo State. It was international airport. They will try to put in order there. Now they combine it. They turn it. Federal government come up and turn it to local airport. They refuse to approve it. That international airport. They turn it to the local airport. One Nigeria. Why Igbo man cannot travel from east overseas? Before you travel, to overseas, you have to come Lagos to Abuja. Begin to process your documents and all those things. One Nigeria. End of the day, we spend the money, they will fail you. They will support you. You will start afresh. That's how they continue to fool the Easterners. No seaport, no international airport, no good road, no federal road. No, the way track. In the east. Are you telling me one Nigeria? No single for the federal project in the east. I will say, you say we should forget our past heroes. Or the Biafra Day. The struggle continue. Because we are in mess. Whereby they don't recognize me. They don't care about me. They don't care about that region. And you say we are one Nigeria. If you reach my turn to collect my meat, you say no, we share the meat. That's Nigeria for you. Anything concerning the Easterners, Nigeria will turn it upside down. I mean, the case will turn to another thing entirely. But you come to West and the North, they will fix it well. They will fix everything well. If you come to East, they will turn it upside down. They will say, wait, why? One Nigeria. let me tell you, whether they like it or not, Biafra must come to stay. Biafra has beyond Nigeria. That's come to beyond Nigeria. Biafra is beyond Nigeria now. They cannot escape it. Whether they like the holding now, they can ransom or not. Biafra will come to stay. Biafra has gone far. He has gone far. So we cannot forget. So it's a good development. That day we will observe our day. But they should not mess it there up. Nigeria should not mess it there up. Because whatever they see, they will take it. Whatever they see there, over there, they will take it. That is it. We are serving our mother and our father, forefathers. Not by violence. No. Not by militia. Just to observe the day. The 3 days. You have to observe them. So say, welcome the development. I love it. It's my joy. It's a piece of joy. If we forget them, end of the day, that's how Nigeria will forget. They will forget the Easterners. That's how Nigeria will continue to forget the Easterners because they don't think about the Easterners. They don't think about the Easterners. So we can't forget it. That's why we do something step by step. We do everything step by step. To make sure that Biafra come to be, come to read. To become independent state of a country. That is it.
For having me. So first things first, I'm the spokesman of the obedience. Samuel Ekpa. You see, Hope Uzodinma, sometimes I ask myself, but this is a personal question, that if truly is an igbo man, because Biafra is their identity. Every igbo man has the spirit of Biafra. The same way as I'm talking, I have the spirit of Oduduwa in me. So there's nothing Uzodinma can do that can change the altar of history. He's an igbo man. No matter how you try to make the Fulani people happy, they see you as an igbo man. He should learn. You see, people don't learn. Let Uzodinma learn from what's his name? Emefiele and Okocha. We are there today. Nnamdikanu used to say something, because I know much about Nnamdikanu. He used to say that serve the zoo and end up in shame. You understand? Even though some of his words I don't go with it, but I like Nnamdikanu personally. But say serve the zoo and end up in shame. You understand? No matter how you serve these people, you are still going to end up in shame. You are forgetting who you are. You are forgetting where you are coming from. You are threatening your own people to celebrate a day that ordinarily should be the pride of your people. Biafra is a day of the pride of the Igbo race. What happened during Biafra? From Abuja Accord, then it was not met. Then the war started. Then you saw how bombs and everything, because they were fighting federal governments and federal government in conjunction with other countries. So it was like only people like the Igbo people are fighting the whole Nigeria, and other people in other nations in the world. Now, after they were doing the civil war, you saw how they were blockade of food. Food could not enter. Little children were being malnourished. They have big stomach. You saw it. You saw again how after the civil war again, they said they are going to do 3 R's: reconciliation, reconstruction, and rehabilitation. Federal government did not do anyone. Instead, they gave some of them 20 pounds. And again, they've been able to rebuild their life from that little amount of money. So the Igbo people should be very proud of how they've risen from the civil war. It's like when Jesus said that the Jetta stone has now become the chief cornerstone. Right? Jesus said it, that this Jetta stone has now become the chief cornerstone right in our own eyes. You understand? So the Igbo people that are supposed to be the beggars in the streets are now having businesses, and they are celebrating their day. You as a governor, celebrate with them. You are not saying, you are not threatening them not to come to work. But a day will come, you no longer be the governor. You are a governor today. You are Okocha today. A Mayfield that served this is in jail. This is a lesson to Umahi too. You are destroying Igbo people business now. Umahi. You are happy. They are your people. One day you will leave your office. When you are in office, you have to remember that one day, a day will come, I'll no longer be here. Your brother is in detention. Mass in nnamdikanu. He did not throw bombs, he did not do anything. Even Shoika said it. nnamdikanu did not kill anybody, he did not throw any bombs. The people that threw bombs, the Boko Haram, they are walking free. The people that are the killers in this nation, they are walking free. But your own brother is in detention, not saying anything. That's why I was telling people, I said, when nnamdikanu spoke in the court that day, and when I called my best friend is an igbo person, he said this, it is not Kanu that was speaking. It was the spirit of Ikemba Newi, the Modume Gojuku, that was speaking to nnamdikanu that day in the court. He was telling the judges, you cannot try me, you cannot try me. This is what I mean. So Obus Odima should be very, very careful. You are a governor today, you cannot be a governor for life. You cannot be treating your people anyhow. But again, how did he become governor? That's the question. How did he become governor? Now, not to wait. When I speak to them, it's only in Igbo land that there is this injustice that I've been speaking about for how many years. They did election in Imo State. Then, different candidates, first, second, third, fourth. Then Supreme Court awarded someone that took number 4, a governor. So the people, that means they didn't really vote for him. That's the truth. But if they voted for him, they knew they voted for number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4.
But recently, the appeal court has just opposed his victory on Friday.
No. That is the second election now that he has been a governor. That's what I mean. So someone like that, look at the way he's behaving. Is he behaving like the normal Igbo governors? Who are you trying to impress? But after you serve, you are going after 8 years now. You have 4 more years. You are going to leave the seat. So now when you now leave the seat, what will become of you?